1% worse for every day for 1 year is 1% better every day for 1 year is. Time magnifies the margin between success and failure. Your habits can compound for you or against you. Changes can take years before it happens all at once. All big things come from small beginnings. Forget about goals, focus on system instead. The purpose of setting goals is to win the game.
Changes that seem small and unimportant at first will compound into remarkable results.
Quality of our lives often depends on the quality of our habits. With better habits, anything is possible. Small habits makes a big difference. Every action you take is a vote for the type of person you wish to